Hello, AP students. I know we're meeting live and everything, but I wanted to at least record a little bit of a reference video for you with AP Classroom. So in this picture, you can see our AP Environmental Canvas page. Here, your announcements, link to the syllabus. This is the Canvas calendar. Our teams meet, so you'll click this to join class every day. And your warm-ups, discussion board, grade, AP Classroom, which is what this is about, textbook, website, and contacting me. So AP Classroom, when you click on it, it's going to take you to AP Login. Now, I do apologize because this does not have a teacher-student view of it like Canvas does. But once you log in, if you've created an account already, do not make any new accounts. Make sure that this is the one that you've continually used for your other AP classes, as well as the PSAT, SAT. So, and it should not be an HSD2 email. So if that's not the case, you need to, or if you have it listed as an HSD2, you need to go into your account settings and change your email to a personal one, like a Gmail, Hotmail, whatever it is. All right, so you guys will go to AP Classroom. It might even directly take you there, or at least a slightly different link if you're taking more than one. Now, this is where it's going to look different because this is the teacher stuff. This is all the stuff that I get to assign you. These are going to look really familiar. We're actually going to start on Unit 4. These are going to be your DOLs. So your DOLs are going to be in here, and I'll open them up each day. Hopefully I remember. You're also going to do what is called progress checks. So towards the end of each unit, you're going to take a mini multiple choice and FRQ test. It's not like a whole AP exam. And you're going to go through these. I do ask that they are 100% correct. So they're open notes, so it shouldn't be too bad. But for any of the ones you get wrong, that you end up submitting a form telling me the right answer and why. And if I'm nice and I open up the questions for you or the answers for you, then you'll have it right there. But we'll see. And so these eventually throughout the entire year will get assigned to you. Don't get overwhelmed. This is all year long. And then I, of course, will be able to see what you guys do, but I don't have a whole lot in here right now since you guys haven't joined the class yet. Once you do, it will look a little bit different. Oh, I take it back. I have 2 of you that enrolled. Thank you. I have my new 2 favorite students right here. This is your join code right here, PD2QPA. It's on the Canvas course where this is an assignment. If you were signed up before the week before school, I also sent out emails to you guys and your parents with that same information right there. So that is, I think, everything for AP Classroom. We are going to use this pretty often. So that's why it's one of the links on the Canvas homepage. Wouldn't even hurt to bookmark it on your own so you don't have to log into Canvas and then go log into AP Classroom on top of it. It takes that intermediate step out. Again, if you have any questions, AP Classroom is not the most user-friendly one, but I will help where I can, especially from my viewpoint. I can't see a student view of what it looks like for you. But just know that you'll be accessing this probably every week. Again, can't wait to actually see you in class.